Hello, in this video I'll show you how you can set an app to require Face ID authentication for the app to be opened. If you don't authenticate with Face ID, the app will not open. The main use for this is to secure access to an app so that in the event that your phone is stolen whilst the phone is unlocked, the app cannot be accessed by the thief. Now, it doesn't work with every application. For example, you can't set the built-in calculator app on an iPhone to require Face ID to unlock it. It's mostly available for apps that contain sensitive information, such as an email app. Lastly, this feature was introduced in iOS 18, so it will not work on previous versions of iOS. To enable Require Face ID to unlock an app, first, long press the app on your iPhone, tap Require Face ID, tap Require Face ID again. It will require you to authenticate with Face ID. When you open the app, it will require you to authenticate with Face ID. If you want to disable the Require Face ID to unlock feature on an app, long press the app again and tap Don't Require Face ID. The app will now open as normal when pressed. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video useful. If you want more iPhone and iOS tips and tricks like this one, I have a playlist of them here on the left. And if you want to watch my latest video, it's here on the right. Lastly, if you could, please give the video a like and consider subscribing for more tips just like this one.